every summer. Things are moving slow, and time to unwind only gives me time to spend alone. And I can't help but wonder if anyone's in town, scrolling through the phone on a Sunday, just hanging around with nothing to do. Summer loving, give me something. I'm about to lose my mind. 'Cause when I see you, I think I need you every single summertime.
And I believe every day is a promise, living my life with you. But all I can say, well, not just say but do, is to love you since the first time we met in that small tiny classroom. And when we grew together, all the promises that I made secretly and gave to you, love you, I will always be there supporting you, all our dreams, all of our future, even having our own family. I will still be always and will ever be by your side, whatever happens.
Around. It's the way you're smiling at me, it's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy into a man. It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I have never known a love like this.
Looking back 9 years ago, we were just dreaming of this day to come. And now we're here. Now I'm standing next to you in front of our family and friends, fully convinced. Surely that He makes everything happen at the right time. Thank you for making me feel how to be pursued beyond my flaws, my strong front, even in time difficult. Thank you for being patient whenever I throw one attitude, and for taking care of me, for accepting me and protecting me, for making me feel secured and loved. Thank you for being my hope. Above all, thank you for being my personal barista, for making my coffee. I promise to love you without condition, to honor you each day, to challenge you to be a better person, and allow the same for me. Promise to respect, admire, and appreciate you, for who you are, as well as the person you wish to become.
It's the way you're smiling at me, it's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy into a man. It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I've never known a love like this. It's funny how everything I dreamed of.
I promise to seek a deep understanding of your wishes, your desires, your fears, and dreams. I promise to always strive to meet your needs, not out of obligation, but because it delights me to see you happy. I promise to persevere when times get tough, knowing that any challenges we might face, we will conquer them together with the Lord. Promise to nurture your goals and ambitions, to stand by you through highs and lows, to be that one person staying until the end of your stream, to be your biggest fan in your present listening audience. I promise to show you every day that I know exactly how lucky I am to have you in my life. Today, I take my place as your wife, your partner, your companion, and your player number 2. May our days be long, and may they be seasoned with faith, love, understanding, and respect. just to spend my today and all my tomorrows with you. Okay, I love you.
It's the way you're smiling at me. It's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy into a man. It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I've never known a love like
It'll be a good time, welcome to the high life. Jump right in and show you outside. Right now we're gonna live it up. Don't stop till you get enough. Feel it, work it, move it. This is how we do it. Live it, breathe it, lose it. Best day ever. Best day ever. Best day ever. It can't get better when we're together. It's now or never. Best day ever. Top down, black shades going yacht high. Rolex champagne, get them corks popping. Like Bezos, I'm feeling like a billion billions. Living large, I'm in charge, feeling luscious. Look, grab it.